Okay. Alright, we have the whole upper cab part of the camper pulled out. The whole thing is out finally. Michael came and helped us with it a little bit. And so here it is on the ground, taken apart. And it's a big mess. But there it is. We're working on it.
57.5 is too long.
What?
Should be 57.4.
What should be?
Overall length from here. If you pull it off somewhere. When he corrected it now. Go ahead.
Alright. So there is the remnants, what's left over. And underneath there is this is the fiberglass. So we're going to get all this junk off of here. And we're working on the new frame. So let me show you that. So this is the frame. Rebuilding the frame. Working on it. Shouldn't be too bad. We've already got parts of it. We're kind of hyping up some of it, changing a little bit of the design. But looks like it's going to be a better build. Got to go get some the Lexan for the bottom, and then we'll start getting all that put together. So it's been an experience. This is where we're at right now. But we have the frame built, and we're getting ready to try to start putting everything back together. I'll get him out. I'll get him out. Alright, this is some of the frame, the new frame that we built. We still got to add some supports over here, and we still got the little round support for the front. So it's coming along. Huh?
The ball goes in there, don't it?
What?
The ball goes in.
Alright, we're getting it. Starting to get the frame. Frame's getting built. And we're starting to get it put in. This is the outside. We still got a little work to do on it. Got some more additions to make, some more supports. I'll take you inside and show you. I got all those ugly towel racks down. And I got my little iron towel holder put up. Just got to get my ring for it. And then I'm working on my of course the camper is a mess right now. Got to get some new blinds. One of the cats got in and tore it up. I got my new towel rack, and that's for the bathroom for towels and washcloths, things like that. Got my coat rack made. It's hanging up. Have another one over here. Gotta get it put up. So it's coming along. Hallelujah. We have a window in. Of course the rest of it's not done yet. So we still have a ways to go. But we have one wall and one window. We're on our way. We're going to get that wall finished, and then we're going to put the floor in. We already have the floor frame done and the floor's put together. We just need to get it put in, and we're getting it done. Okay, we got the second window in on the other side, on the driver's side. So we're getting on our way. Excellent. I'm so happy. It's getting there. Yay. This is the outside on the driver's side. Front really looks crappy, yes, but this is the driver's side. It has a window. Yay, it's getting there. Okay, we have a floor. We have 2 walls and a floor.
You know what? We should cut that thing to fit before we even put it in here.
What?
The floor under the luan or whatever we're gonna put up there.
Oh,
now
yeah.
we gotta draw it out.
Now we have to measure it.
Yeah.
Oh well. Battery was dead, but it needed a jump. But that baby runs. How about that? Runs good too. Huh?